Want to supercharge your Fiverr profile and land more gigs by showcasing your stellar reputation? Let's dive into how you can strategically sync your Trustpilot reviews with Fiverr. Even though a direct, built-in integration doesn't exist, the key here is leveraging your Trustpilot credibility to win over potential clients. First, head over to Trustpilot and gather your most impressive review snippets and your overall star rating. Copy these to your clipboard. Now, jump into your Fiverr profile and navigate to the description section. This is where you'll manually add your Trustpilot information. Carefully paste those glowing review snippets and showcase your star rating. Be sure to phrase it in a way that builds trust, like, rated 48 stars on Trustpilot based on 50 reviews. Pro tip: make it visually appealing. Use bullet points, bold text, or even a small graphic to highlight your Trustpilot achievements within your description. Another effective workaround is by mentioning your Trustpilot rating directly in your gig extras or facts. For example, unlock premium customer service backed by a 5-star Trustpilot rating. While direct integration is limited, explore third-party tools that might help bridge the gap, but always exercise caution and thoroughly vet any tool before connecting it to your accounts. And that's it. By strategically displaying your Trustpilot reputation on Fiverr, you're directly addressing client concerns, boosting trust, and increasing your chances of scoring more gigs. Go get 'em.